welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how can you make this amazing and beautiful Egyptian style bracelets. I have made 4 different types. In this video we will learn how to make this beautiful white Egyptian bracelet. This is super shiny crystal I have used in this to make this. At the end you can see we have these locks right here, and there are different types of beads. You can make whatever you like to. I'm going to give an idea of how can you construct this design. I have made it in blue, white, of course the red, and this twin color of pastel blue and sea green. Beautiful. These 3 I have made it with a gold, while this one I have made it with the silver. So it depends on your choice what you want to do. So let's get started with this video, and let's go and learn how to make these pretty Egyptian style bracelet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Show me some love, give a comment on the comment box down below. Thank you so much. If you want to learn anything else related to jewelry making, you can go ahead and place your video into the comment box down below, and I am going to make. If you are going to make any of these, don't forget to share it on my Instagram. The profile link is in description box down below. You can share it on my WhatsApp, you can share it on my Facebook page, or Threads, whatever you like. I'm available on every social media. Okay, so let's get started with this video. Okay, to make that beautiful bracelet you will be needing jewelry pliers, which are round nose plier, flat nose plier, cutter of course. You will need some eye pins. 2 pieces, same cuts of 2 pieces of memory wire, same in size, 2 clasp lock, some jump rings. You will need some white, milky white 6 mm beads, crystals. You will need some 4 mm pure white crystals, and some super shiny white square pieces. So let's get started. Now take one of your memory wire, and now at the end we are going to make a fold, which is an eye, and make sure you press this with your flat nose pliers so that when you attach your jump ring, the jump ring will not come off like that. Okay, now keep it aside. Make sure you make one side eye on both of your memory wire. First we are going to make the center pieces. For the center pieces you're going to take your eye pin. You're going to add 1 of this white bead, 1 of this square, and 1 of this eye. Look at this, beautiful. Okay, now here is the part. If you can see that this eye is in standing position. Look, let me focus. This is the standing position, and this is the flat position of the eye. Make sure the both of the eyes are in same position. Keep it stand, hold, and then make another eye in the same position, like that. Now you can see that both eyes are in the same. Where is the focus gone? Sorry. In the same position. If you turn those, you can see these both are in the standing position, same direction, because when we are going to add, make sure that the direction is same. Okay, so you have to make around 5 to 8 pieces depending on your design. Okay, so all of these pieces are ready, so make sure you make those first before we start memory wire work. And now let's add these to the memory wire. Now you're going to take your memory wire, and there is an eye on one side. And now you're going to take, let me focus my camera. Now you're going to take your 4 mm beads and start adding those. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Add 5 beads, and now we are going to add our this piece right here, like that. Okay, add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After adding 5, add your this piece right here. Look at this, mashallah, very pretty. Keep doing this until you reach to the end. 5 crystals, 4 mm, then add your this piece right here. 5 crystals, 4 mm, and add your crystal piece. We are going to do that till we reach to the end. So I'm going to fast forward the video, and then I'm going to tell you the second part of this, okay? So here you can see that the piece is ready, and I have added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 of these squares. Now at the end you're going to hold and make an eye, same when we made it on start. My camera is not focused. Is it focused? Yes. Now we're going to just make an eye. Just press a little bit, just like that, and there you have your first pieces ready. And now let's make another side. To make another side, you're going to make eye on one side, as we did with the previous one. Make sure you press it with your nose plier or flat nose plier. Now I'm going to add 5 of these 4 mm crystals. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After adding those, you're going to pick one side, whatever is easy for this side or that side. After adding 5 of these, you're going to slide it through this piece right here, which will connect these both together. That is why I was saying you that the eye should be on one direction. Then add 5 crystals again. 3, 4, 5. Then take your next piece and add your memory wire. Again, do the same till you reach to the end. Take 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There we are. Add the next piece. 5 crystals. Oh, sorry. Adding these one by one is quite irritating for me, so I just cut the string and add those. Now the other one, and this is what your product will look like. I mean, look at this, beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Mashallah, look at this. Yay, I made something pretty. Okay, way too much of excitement, and after that we are going to start adding more 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After adding 5, take your this piece, slide it through the memory wire, and keep doing this until you reach to your starting point, to your ending point, not starting point, sorry. Look at this beauty. So I'm going to fast forward this video so it will be not boring for you. Okay. Okay, so we are at the end point, and now as you can see, let me focus. Okay, now we are at the end, and now we are going to make eye again. If you think that the wire is too much, cut a little wire, tiny bit, and then just fold your memory wire. Press with your flat nose plier so that your jump ring won't come off, and look at this piece. Isn't that artistically beautiful? I don't know where this all English came from. And you can wear it like that if you wanted to. Look at this beauty. Where is the beast? Okay, this is how it looks like. And now as you can see, there is a lot of space here, so we are going to start adding our clasp lock and jump ring. So take your jump ring and open your jump ring. From the eye, one of the eye. You can add the fancy locks if you wanted to. Take your clasp lock and close. Take another jump ring, open. Pass it through, take your clasp lock, pull it in, and lock. And now there are two locks at the one side, and now we are going to add jump ring on the other side. You can add as many jump ring, it depends on your hand size. If you wanted to, you can add 2 to 3 or 1, or depend on your hand size again. I'm going to close. If you wanted to, you can add some kind of hangings at the end point as well, but obviously this piece looks really cool itself, so don't add too much. I'm going to close this. To give it more professional look, you can add chains at the end and not the jump rings. It will give more nice and professional look. So here your piece is ready. Let me focus. And look at the shine this piece has. Look at this. Those square looks really amazing, and I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. If you wanted to make the colored one, you can make the colored one as well. And this is what I have made. Same method. All I did, add a 8mm bead, 3 beads here, 3 beads there, and in between we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 beads gap. This one right here, I have used a size 3mm crystals, 4 beads, 1 8mm, 4 beads at one side, 5 beads at one side. I added the golden ring, and then into the center we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 bead space. This one right here, I have made 3 beads of 4mm, then 8mm, 3 beads of 4mm, then 1 2 3 4 5 beads of 6mm, and this is how it came out. So it depends. You can make the white, red, blue, many colors as you wanted to. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for giving time to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.